Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today's lesson is about something called conversion factor. Let's start. Bismillah. If I want to convert this unit to this unit, what I have here, it's what? 12 kilometer per hour. What does it mean? It means I have a car or something. It moves in a speed of 12 kilometer in 1 hour. It means again that in 1 hour, this car will move 12 kilometer. Okay, I want to know how many kilometer it will move in 1 minute. Per minute, it means what? It means in 1 minute. How can I solve it? Well, we can use our mind. So it moves 12 kilometer per 1 hour. It means I will multiply or I will divide. I have to think about it. 12 kilometer in 1 hour. I will get a smaller distance or greater distance if the car moves in 1 minute only. Of course, it will be a smaller distance. So I will divide by 60. So I will divide 12 by 60, which means 12 over 60. Divide up and down by 12, it means 1 over 5. It means 0.2 what kilometer per minute. So I can solve it by my mind, but it will be confusing for you if I want to multiply or divide. Miss, we know that from big unit to small unit, we multiply. Why we did divide here? Because the unit here in the denominator, it is the second term. And when I have the second term, it means I will make what? I will make division. But it will be very confusing for you, right? So instead of being confused by these units or how can I convert them, I will multiply or I can divide. What shall we do? I will do what? I will use something called what? Conversion factor. What does it mean, conversion factor? It's a relation between two equals what? Two equals unit. What does it mean, two equals unit? It means if I want to find out a relation between kilometer and meter, well, all of us know that 1 kilometer equal how many meter? Equals 1,000 meter. So the conversion factor of this relation is 1 kilometer over 1,000 meter, or 1,000 meter. Sorry, it's here 1,000. Okay, 1,000 meter over 1 kilometer. These are the conversion factor of this relation. I have another relation just like hour and minute, okay? What is the relation between hour and minute? All of us know that 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So I can write it as 1 hour equals 60 minutes, like this. Or I can write it as 1 hour down equals 60 minutes. The numerator here equals the denominator. Yes, it equals the denominator, right? 1,000 here. Okay, and here, numerator here equals the denominator here. Yes, it's equal. And all of them equals what? Equals 1. Why? Because the numerator and the denominator are equivalent, right? Here, the same. So what is the meaning of conversion factor? It's equal to 1. Why? Because I find the relation between two equivalent units. Okay, how can I use the conversion factor here? Well, first step is to write the question as a fraction, numerator and denominator. Then we multiply by 1. What is the meaning of 1 here? It means the conversion factor. Okay, let's find out. I want to convert 2 steps, kilometer to, well, here in the answer I have another kilometer. So I can't what? These are the same, so I don't have to convert them, but I want to convert hour to be what? To be minute. So how many conversion factor I will use here? I will use just one conversion factor. Why? Because I want to convert the hour to be minute. Okay, so I multiply by conversion factor between the hour and the minutes, which is one of these two relations, right? Which one I will use? I will use the one with the hour up or hour down. Well, according to the answer here, I have what down? I have minutes down. So I'll put here minute down. Then I will put up hour up. Why? Because once again, I want to convert the hour to be minute. and the hour here in the denominator, and I put the minute in the denominator only also. And the conversion factor again, once again and once again. It's what? It's a relation between two equivalent units. What is the equivalency or the equivalent of hour and minute? I know that the big unit here is what is hour. So 1 hour equals 60 minutes, right? Okay, let's find out what is the answer of this multiplication, with which I have here numerator times numerator, 12 kilometer times 1 hour equals 1 hour times 60 minutes. Okay, let's simplify it. I can cancel hour with hour, right? I have anything else to cancel? No. So what I have left in the numerator? In the numerator, I have 12 kilometer over 60 minutes. Are they the same units I want? Yes, they are the same units I want. So I will only deal with the numbers. Okay, let's see here. 12 over 60, divide up and down by 12. It will be 1 over 5, which equals to 0.2. Okay, I have another example here. This time I have two conversions. I want to convert what? Let's write it again as a fraction. I will write the question as a fraction. 45 meter over minute. How many minutes? Just 1 minute. Okay, and I want to find the answer here by what? Kilometer by hour. So how many conversion I will need? Well, first of all, I want to convert the meter to be kilometer. This is the first conversion factor. Another one, yes, I want to convert the minute to be hour. Okay, so I have two conversion factors this time. Meter to kilometer, I know that 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters. And I know that 1 hour is equal 60 minutes. So how can we write these two conversion factors? I know now I have two conversion factors, right? So I multiply by two conversion factors. Which one I will use? I will put the minute up or minute down. Okay, let's start with the minute. I want to convert the minute to be hour, and the hour here in the denominator. So I'll put the hour in the denominator and the minute up. Okay, which one is greater? Hour is greater, and 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So this fraction equals 1. Yes, it's equals to 1. Okay, I will use another color here. Now I will have another conversion factor because I want to convert the minute. I finish by this one. I want to convert now the minute to be kilometer. I want the kilometer here to be up or down. Yes, up. So I will put kilometer up. Then the relation between kilometer and meter. So I will put meter down. Which one is greater, kilometer or meter? Kilometer. I put 1 here and I'll put 1000 down. Okay, I put both of my conversion factor. Let's find out now our result. Multiply fraction by numerator by numerator by numerator. Denominator by denominator by denominator. Let's find out 45 meter times 60 minutes times 1 kilometer over 1 minute times 1 hour times 1000 meter. Now I have anything up to cancel by anything down. Yes, I can cancel minute by minute. I can cancel also meter by meter. Anything else to cancel? No, I don't have. So now the new fraction will be 45 times 60 times kilometer, right? Or times 1 kilometer, okay? And down we have 1, I can cancel it, hour, and times 1000. So 1000 times what? Hour. Now, this units are the same as the units I want. Yes, we have it. So I can now deal with the numbers. I can cancel 0 up and 0 down. Now, in my rough work, let's find out what is the result of 45 times 6. 6 times 5 equals 30, 0 and carry up 3. 4 times 6 equals 24, plus 3, 27. So the answer will be the numerator here 27, 270 over 100, cancel 0 by 0, and the 10 in the denominator will make one decimal place. It will be 2.7 kilometer per hour. Okay, another one. This time I want to convert what? PT means what? Means piasters. Okay, and the LE has 100 piasters. So the first relation here, let's find out. First, we have to write it as a fraction, as I told you before. Let's write it 3,650 piasters per gram. Okay, here I want to find the answer by LE per kilogram. Okay, so up, I will convert it to be LE. So I want one conversion factor between PT, piasters, and LE. I have another one, yes, gram to kilogram. Okay, so I want to convert a gram to be kilogram. Okay, let's remember what is the relation between PT and LE. Well, I know that 1 LE equals 100 piaster. And I know that 1 kilogram equals 1,000 gram. So I have now two conversion factors again. I multiply by two conversion factors. The first one, okay, let's try it. Piasters here, which is up, I want to convert it to be LE. So I'll put LE up. The relation between LE and what? And piaster. So I'll put piaster down. What is the relation between them? 1 LE equals 100 piasters. Okay? Okay. The second conversion factor will be what? Will be between kilogram and gram. I want the kilogram here in my answer, up or down? Down. So I'll put kilogram down. Gram converted to be kilogram. Piaster converted to be LE. And up I will put gram. And the conversion between them, or the relation between them, that 1 kilogram equals 1,000 gram. Okay, let's find it as my big, huge fraction. Let's put all the numerator together, 3,650 piasters times 1 LE times 1,000 gram over 1 gram times 100 piasters times 1 kilogram. I have anything up to cancel down? Let's see here. I have piasters up and down. Yes, I have. I will cancel this piaster up with this piaster down. LE, no, I don't have LE, but I have gram. I can cancel gram up and down. Now, what's left up? I have 3,650 times, let's take all the numbers together, times 1 times 1,000. So I'll put 1,000 up. And the lifted unit here is what? LE. Down, I have 1 times 100, which equals to 100 times 1 equals 100 again. And the lifted unit here is what? Kilogram. Now, the unit I have are the same as the units I want. Yes, it is. Okay, now I have what? I have these numbers. Cancel 0 by 0, up and down. Cancel 0 up by 0 down. Now, what's left here? 3,650 times 10 over 1, which equals to 36,500. That's all for today. See you soon, inshallah.